Suppose you have plotted your data points like this. So the blue dots, they represent your data points, and you have created three models, red one, yellow one, and the green one, and you need to decide which model you need to choose amongst these three models. That's when R-square and adjusted R-square come in. So what is R-square? It measures how much of the variance of the dependent variable can be explained by our independent variables. Its range is between 0 and 1. If R square is equal to 1, then model explains all of the variability in dependent variables perfectly. However, if R square is equal to 0, then the model cannot explain the variability in the dependent variable. Or we can say that what we are essentially doing is we are just taking mean of the target variable and using that as the prediction. Formula for R square is 1 minus SS residual divided by SS total. SS residual means sum of squares of residual, and residual is the difference between the actual value and the predicted value, and SS total is the difference between predicted value and the mean of the dependent variable. So we can say R square is equal to 1 minus summation I is equal to 1 to n yi minus y hat whole square. Y hat, because this is the predicted value and this is the actual value, divided by summation I is equal to 1 to n yi minus y bar whole square, where y bar is the average of the dependent variable. When R square is high, it means that model can explain the dependent variables better. It's a good model, and we always try to get a model with the R square close to 1, because that's when we know that our independent variables, they are able to explain the dependent variable. However, there is a catch here. If we try to increase the number of independent variables, then our R square value will keep on increasing, and at some point we might get 1 or closer to 1, and we would think that our model is the best model, it's performing best and is able to explain our dependent variable, when in fact it will not be able to explain. And the reason for that is when we add more independent variables to a model, then the R square value always increases. In order to not let this happen, we use adjusted R square, which penalizes the addition of unnecessary predictions that do not improve the model significantly. Formula for adjusted R square is 1 minus R square n minus 1 divided by n minus p minus 1, where R square is the R square value, n is the data points, and p is the number of predictors. So R square value, it never decreases, but adjusted R square value, it decreases when a new independent variable is added for predicting the target variable, and that independent variable does not improve the performance of the model. More the adjusted R square, model fits the data well, and the features, it gives us assurance that the features that we have chosen, they are meaningful features and they contribute to explain the variability in the dependent variable.